That might look back.
Actually, I saved the candy ration for today for tomorrow. So we're kind of close, but we made it through. We'll see. Still have 60 kilometers to get through tomorrow.
Okay, I'll call you back when I'm finished with this.
Here, I just cleaned off the other day, so I'm gonna get that knocked off. All right, getting set up here to prepare to do some fiberglass work today on this side of the boat. So got me a tarp tied off up here just now, provide me some shade, because that's one thing you don't want to work that fiberglass in the direct sun and UV rays. It'll really set it off fast on you. And plus I just need some shade on top of that. It gets hot out here and it's a very clear day, so definitely want some shade over me. So got that, and I'm gonna get busy sanding where I put this last coat on yesterday. It's actually pretty good. It just has like a real slight little edge needs to be knocked off right there. Just minimum sanding on the outside and inside both. I'll do that, and then I think I'll be ready to start doing a little bit of fiberglass work. I've got some holes, some gaps back underneath. This one don't have it, but those two got a little gap underneath I need to fill, and I'll go ahead and do that and let that set. Won't take it just minutes to set, and then I'll be able to start laying out for my pieces of glass that are going on this. So what I think I'll do is, I've got one more of these tables. I'll bring the other table around here and probably put it in the end. I think what I'll do is go ahead and coat a layer of resin on here and let it saturate into the wood and soak up, and then it'll remain tacky, no wax in it, and it'll remain tacky for a while. All right, so I mixed up a little bit of fiberglass and resin. I keep all my scrap pieces and I just take a pair of scissors and chop it up in a little 1/4 inch or 3/8, 1/2 inch little strips. And then I also add some silicone there for thickening. And I'm gonna go over here and touch up some places now on the back side here on these pontoons. Probably mix more than I need. Let's see, there we go. Probably mixed up a little bit more than I need. But I've got this hollow void. I'm gonna fill that before I put my glass over the outside. So I definitely needed strands on this. And I'm gonna use my fingers as well. I'll pack that in there. Really good. I'll get rid of this other one real quick. That'll give me a starter right there. And then I'm gonna step over here and use this in some other little strategic places around on the boat. Use up what I have left. Good afternoon, everybody. Well, it has been a rainy day. Man, it's really messed up work here. And I started this morning. We had guests here and visited with them. And then I wanted to get busy on the boat right here, fiberglassing. And I got one section done. I got one area done starting right here. I know you probably can't see it much unless I get over here to the side and you'll see it there. See, of putting chop strand mat across here, and which it wraps all the way under and back up this other side. So I just got this front section done, and it started raining. And then I'm like, oh man, it may not kick off. I did go 2% instead of 1%. on the MEKP. And in fact, you can see here what I'm saying, it rained. It's got water in all my stuff. So luckily I had this tarp up here and it didn't get rain directly on, thank goodness. But then I just stopped from doing any more. It has said it's tacky because I didn't put wax solution in it, but it has set. So I don't know, I might go ahead right now and venture to do the next section right here. We will see, we'll see. Get it all again. I need to continue on here, take a little break, but I do have it glassed back to right here now. So all I like is this like final 4 foot here, and I got it all the way underneath on both sides. It looks really good. I see one little spot right there. I need to just smash it with my finger. There it goes. That'll work. That'll work. All right, caught that. Simple enough. So, of course, you know the resin's transparent, so you just see right through it. Anything, it's there, any white mark and all. That's not bubbles that you see. That's just like a nail, or where I've put little filler in places and stuff and leveling out. But man, that's glassed all I'm gonna glass it. Like I say, I'm not trying to make it a fiberglass structure. The wood's the structure on it, the marine wood. I'm just looking for a little additional strength, seal, and longevity and protection of the wood. So once this cures, I'll come over and I don't know, I'll probably just mix up a little bit of fairing compound, and that'll be using the resin along with this silica right here. that I've got in this jar, and I'll make myself a fairing compound and come over and float out some of these places. Like you can see that seam right there, I can make that fairing and float that right out. And then I'm gonna come right back behind it with gel coat. So I think I'll go ahead and finish this today. I'll get that last 4 foot on. I've got more fiberglass there in the garage. And then in the morning, maybe I'll do a little fairing on it. Nothing too intense. And then I think I'll probably go ahead and start some gel coating on it.